Clean Cans Hawaii is the first of its kind in the state of Hawaii. We offer professional cleaning, sanitizing, and deodorizing for residential and commercial trash bins. Clean Cans Hawaii will keep your rollaway trash bins or dumpsters clean, sanitized, and deodorized. Our service includes a high-pressured wash system, pre-treatment, and deodorizing of your trash bins or dumpster. All you need to do is provide our staff with your refuse pickup dates and leave your trash bin or dumpster in an accessible area. Why don't you let us do the stinky job for you? We offer a variety of payment options. Call us today at 808-683-2718 to schedule a cleaning. Visit us at www.cleancanshi.com. Making it pretty stinkin' clean.